Hello, my name is Miranda Penland, and I will be talking to you about declarative versus procedural knowledge. So I'm a visual person, and we will be talking about how to make a strawberry crumble. So I made this last night, so I can't really walk you through it. I should have recorded myself to do it, but I will tell you how to step by step by step. So first you have to preheat the oven to 350. I get my cake mix here. You get one of these with some strawberries and some butter. So preheat the oven to 350. Get your strawberries out, wash them, pat them dry, and then put them on a cutting board and cut them individually. Cut off the top where the green is. Place them inside the container that you're going to put in an oven-safe container. Then sprinkle this over it. Make sure it's yellow. And then put butter all across of it. So like slices of butter. Don't mix it, just put it over it. Then put it into the oven and put on a timer for 50 minutes. Me personally, I love this. You need to make sure you put a lot of butter on it, because if not, you'll still see some of this cake mix in it. But apparently that's my boyfriend's favorite part, which I don't understand. But we love it, and when we were done, we just put it inside a closed container and put it into the refrigerator, and you can either eat it cold or you can put it on, heat it up and have ice cream on it. We haven't done that yet, but we just like it plain. But so what type of knowledge did I create? That is the question. The comments below. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your crumble. Bye.